Hello class, this is Scott Caruso with my week 2 reflection video for AOC 1211. I hope everyone had a great week this week. Let me jump right into it, the what went well, what didn't go well, etc. So what went well, similarly to last week, is simply that I feel like I'm taking to Objective C so far pretty well, and it's not so much that I'm finding Objective C easy; it's that it's all concepts that we've already learned, right? So because I know the JavaScript, it's just taking those contexts, taking those concepts, and learning them within the construct of a different language. Um, Although it's not a direct Boolean comparison, it's kind of like when you already know English and you try to learn a foreign language. General rules of language and communication still apply, but you have to do it in a completely different manner, and syntax and the rules of grammar change, even though the rules of communication don't. So I kind of see it like that. So I'm taking to this much easier than I ever took to JavaScript early on. Not that I found JavaScript hard, but I was learning both a language and a construct back then, where really now I'm just learning a language within constructs that I already understand. So that's what's going really, really well for me, I think. Um, what's not going well, however, is still some of that similar concept where I keep going back to what I know about JavaScript. And I keep needing to get myself out of that mindset and really focus on getting the core syntax for Objective-C down, so I'm not continually having to refer back to notes that I've taken about how to do things. Not to go back to the language analogy again. When I was studying Spanish in high school and my early college years, one of my instructors once told me that you finally got it when you can start thinking in Spanish. And I think once I can finally start thinking in Objective-C when I'm coding in Objective-C rather than thinking in JavaScript and then converting to Objective-C, I think that's when I'll really have it. And I'm not quite there yet, which I think is what's difficult right now. But outside of that, things are going really well, and I'm really happy about it. Um, and clearly, I'm able to pull in things that I've learned in other classes, time management, because there's a lot going on. There's both PMA and this, and though this class, or no, neither this class nor PMA by themselves are a ton of work. Combined, there's a lot of different deliverables that need to be met. So just constantly referring back to the time management that I've gotten both from previous courses and from my professional career has really helped me immensely. So that was week 2. Hope it went well for everyone else as well. And I will see you again week 3.